Hey guys, today we are making delicious, crispy, amazing oven-baked chicken. Better than fried chicken, right? Yep.
Really good.
It's Cindy's recipe. This is Cindy, my future daughter-in-law. She's a beautiful, sweet angel that I love.
Aww.
And she just spoils us with this fried chicken. It's amazing. You're gonna love it, and you gotta make it, and it only takes a few minutes. And try to stick with the spices that we're gonna use if possible. You can get them at any grocery store or Walmart because they make it amazing. So we're doing a monster batch because we're a big family. This is 4 pounds, and we're using chicken drumsticks. You could use drumsticks, you could use thighs, wings, whatever. And I don't typically like chicken skin. This one is fantastic. So, so yeah, we'll just go ahead and let Cindy take over.
Okay.
I'm here to help.
The first thing I do is I pour a little bit of olive oil. It just helps the skin get really crispy and the spices like stick on. So, and then we're gonna use a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash Italian Medley.
Love Mrs. Dash, big fan.
You don't have to use this brand. You can use
You could use regular Italian seasoning. This has a few extra things in it, so it's extra tasty.
We're gonna put a teaspoon of Weber roasted garlic and herb seasoning.
I hate when they don't fit.
I know. And just sprinkle it. And we're gonna rub it in after. So I'm gonna add some smoked paprika, and we're gonna do half of a teaspoon.
Yummy.
I add this on everything.
I love it.
And we're also gonna do half a teaspoon of some cayenne pepper. It's not too much, so it won't be too spicy, but if you don't like spicy, you can just leave it out and add extra of something else.
Yeah, I definitely didn't find it overly spicy at all. Just like a little kick. It wasn't too much. It was perfect.
And we're gonna add a teaspoon, right?
Yes.
We're gonna add a teaspoon of Cajun spice.
I love that spice too.
It's really good with chicken. Okay.
I guess I can do some black pepper.
Oh yeah, black pepper and salt too.
All right, I'll do that. So black pepper, about a half a teaspoon or so. And a full teaspoon of salt. All right.
Okay. So
Cindy's
now
gonna get her
we're just
hands in there.
Mix it all. And once you're done mixing, if you feel like it needs more seasoning, you can always add more. And I just rub the spice in.
Do you need a little more olive oil?
Yeah, you can add a little bit more.
Ooh, Cindy. My mouth's watering. Lunch. Oh, we didn't say. So preheat your oven to 425, and you're gonna bake it 20 minutes, flip it, and then 20 more minutes, and it comes out perfect. The meat inside is oh so moist and delicious. The skin is crispy and tasty. I am telling you, taste sensation 100%. Simple way to eat chicken. And you know, if you get drumsticks or thighs, they're usually pretty inexpensive, so it's a cheap way to feed a family.
And everyone loves it.
Loves it. And then, should we do the sauce? Cindy's special sauce. Only 2 ingredients, but holy moly, awesome. Franks and honey.
Yes. So now that I'm done coating them, we're just gonna put aluminum foil on a baking pan. Right?
Yep.
Baking pan, and we're gonna coat it with some more olive oil.
Yeah, and the foil's great for catching any, you know, fat, juice.
Yeah, and it helps it get really crispy too.
All right. So foil lined baking dish.
And we're just gonna put a little bit. And we're we're gonna mix it in with this brush. This just helps it not get too stuck on the foil, and it also helps get it really crispy.
That's what we like. It was about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, right? It
Yeah.
looked like about 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
Beautiful.
It doesn't really matter how you place it. You just want it all to fit.
Bottom row. My sweet son that's going to be marrying Cindy is one heck of an eater. Am I right?
Yeah, he'll probably eat half of this.
I was going to say he's going to want like 6 or 7 of these easy.
And then in like 30 minutes, he'll
Yep.
eat some more.
So line them up. If you can put a little space between them, that's good. Just a little. And then we're going to pop them in 425 degrees, 20 minutes, then flip, and we will chart the progress. Peace. Okay, the chicken is done and it looks mouth-watering and delicious. So here's what we did. Bake it at 425, 25 minutes, flipped it, and we gave it another 25 minutes because we're trying to get that skin really crispy, and it looks like the mission has been accomplished. So there we go, a beautiful baking dish of crispy oven-baked crispy chicken. And now, totally optional, but like I said, the sauce that Cindy made was so fabulous. So she's gonna show you how to make it. 2 ingredients, Frank's and honey.
So I do 1/4 of a cup of Frank's. So now I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of honey.
Yummy. I was dipping everything in the sauce when we had it the other night.
Even things that weren't chicken,
Yeah.
she was dipping.
I was. Plantains, yeah.
Now I'm gonna whisk it together.
Perfect. How was it, Cindy? Amazing?
Just like you remember.
I love it. I love it. So that's optional if you want to make that sauce. Otherwise, dip it in whatever you like. Go crazy, enjoy it, make it. Remember that all my recipes are down below. If you are a subscriber, don't forget to hit that little notification bell so that you are reminded when I release a new video. And do share with your friends. And thank you to this little sweet cheeks for coming up with this awesome recipe. And go out and have yourselves an awesome day.
Bye.